In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix SDK Authentication Failed error on your Zoom app. So if you are getting this, more especially if you are a developer on your Zoom meeting app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. First, if you are using client key and client secret for authentication, you need to make sure that you also remove the token parameter when you are authorizing the SDK. Also, make sure that you have set the domain. If you have not, try it through settings. However, if the problem isn't solved even after trying this, then you want to try and troubleshoot your app. To do this, you need to go to settings and search for your Zoom app. Go to apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name, and here go to force stop the app, and then go to clear data. Again, clear all data. Restart your smartphone and see if this fixes. In most cases, this should be enough to fix your issues. But should this not solve the issue, then you need to ensure that you are not using any VPN or any security proxy, and also that you are connected to a stable internet. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.